It's a great achievement for an institution. We have also submitted, she is also coordinated, Dr. T.G. Mamta is also coordinator for submission of data to the EVS IGAS, and we are hoping to get a very good grade there in this, the survey and assessment and accreditation bodies at national and international level. I am very proud that the Department of Mechanical Engineering is doing a wonderful job, and today this program is getting inaugurated. It's a matter of great pride and satisfaction for me. The unique feature of this event, at these difficult hours when the globe is going through the pandemic, COVID-19, the alumni of the Mechanical Engineering Department, the HOD, Dr. T.G. Mamta and her team of faculty members, Amit Kumar Pandey, Prashant Chauhan, Suvandhan Saraswat, Mr. Madan Prasad, and others in the department. They have put their best efforts to contact the alumni of the department, who are the glittering stars at the global level today, who have made the name of the JSS Academy of Technical Education Noida at the international level, in the prestigious institutions throughout the world. The time when the alumni can give back to their alma mater is proved by the Department of Mechanical Engineering. I am proud of Dr. T.G. Mamta. I would like to congratulate the head of the department, Dr. T.G. Mamta, and her team of faculty members, Dr. Naveen Kumar Pandey, Dr. Prashant Chauhan, Dr. Suvandhan Saraswat, and Madan Prasad for doing this wonderful job. I see that some of these students who have passed out from the mechanical department of my institution, they always have the great diamonds in the crown of the JSS Academy of Technical Education Noida. Dr. Chitish Mal is currently a postdoctoral research fellow. He passed out from Mechanical Engineering Department of my institution, in 2009. And now he obtained his PhD and master's degree from School of Aeronautics and Astronautics, Purdue University, USA. And his areas of interest are flight mechanics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and astrodynamics. He has also gathered international research experience in systems and aerospace engineering, and University of Tokyo, Cairo, University of Japan. Now, he was on the team of Human to Mars Challenges and Interesting Solutions. This is the unique achievement which Chitish Mal has got to JSS Academy of Technical Education Noida, to be on the team of Human to Mars Challenges and Interesting Solutions. And there are more alumni of the Mechanical Engineering Department from my institution, JSS Academy of Technical Education Noida. That means Dr. Ishan Singh, he researches energy systems, and he passed out from our institution, JSS Academy of Technical Education Noida, in the year 2012. And he received his master's degree in Advanced Automotive Technology in 2014 from CSIR IIP, and he has also recently finished his PhD. And now he is slated to join for the postdoctoral fellowship in the Combustion Research Facility in Sandia National Laboratory, California. And the other resource person, Mr. Prakhar Bajpai, is a pass out of 2017 from my institution, and later he got his master's in the industrial engineering from Texas A&M University, College Station, Texas, and graduated in 2020. And now he believes in the importance of data analysis in today's industry and impact of technology on the future of mankind. His topic of presentation is Big Data and Analytics in Industry 4.0. That's a wonderful topic that has been chosen by the department, and they have also identified the wonderful personality, Prakhar Bajpai, who can deliver a knowledge, the lecture, which will enrich the knowledge of all the delegates. And one more alumnus, Mr. Anmol Agarwal. He passed out from our institution in the year 2017. And now he is currently working as a senior mechanical engineer in the Haldia Refinery Indian Oil Corporation. He is a GATE All India rank. It is 280 in 2017-18. And Mr. Dr. Rahul, he passed out from our institution in the year 2011, and he has done his PhD from NIT Rourkela, and postdoctoral studies from School of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering, Jilin University, China, in 2020. He is going to now present his lecture on talk on metals characterization and engineering optimization. Another important personality of this event, resource person, Mr. R.F. Saxena. He passed out in the year 2017 from an institution, and he has completed more than 40 projects successfully, including turnkey assembly line equipment, SPM, testing machines, and environmental chambers. And his topic of presentation will be application of hydraulics. This is the unique feature of this program conducted with the Department of Mechanical Engineering. It amply demonstrates that the Department of Mechanical Engineering is so well connected with the alumni, and so many alumni have come forward, to give the lectures on the latest topics, which we call as the future skills, the data analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the related topics. I'm very proud that this international webinar series conducted by the Department of Mechanical Engineering is going to be beneficial for the students, for the academics, for the industry personnel, and for the research scholars. I wish this program a great success. I place on record my sincere thanks and my appreciation, and congratulate the head of the Mechanical Department, Dr. T.G. Mamta, and her team of faculty members, Dr. Navneet Kumar Pandey, Dr. Prashant Chauhanji, who is also the Dean of Student Welfare, Dr. Sumandan Saraswat, Mr. Madan Prasad, and all the faculty members of the Mechanical Department for making this the challenging task a great success. I thank all the organizers for giving me an opportunity to join for this program and share my thoughts with you all. I wish this program a great success. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your blessings.
Thank you, sir, for your motivational words. And with your guidance and able leadership, we shall take the department and JSS Academy of Technical Education, Noida forward, and that too even more greater heights. I would now also like to welcome all HODs, Dean R&D, Dean Academics, Dean Student Welfare, Registrar Sir, CO Sir, AO Sir, all the faculties from JSS AT Noida as well as worldwide, people from the industry, people from research backgrounds, and my dear students. I would also like to welcome all the esteemed speakers who have given their time and knowledge to make us sit on the opposite side of the table to learn and grow. With the permission of the head of the department, I would now like to invite Professor R.S. Jagdish, Dean Academics, to guide us through the program. Jagdish sir, please.
Thank you. Good morning to everyone. Respected Principal, Dr. Kshitij Mal, national and international participants, academic and administrative colleagues from JSS Academy of Technical Education, and friends. Indeed, it is a pleasure to be a part of this 3-day international webinar on new approaches in mechanical engineering, organized by Mechanical Engineering Department. So here, the best part of this 3-day international webinar is we have to sit other side and we have to listen our students. Now they are our alumni and they have excelled in their academics and also as well as in research. Now it is a very good to see our students. They are speaking on new approaches of mechanical engineering to their own faculty members. It is wonderful. I would like to congratulate HOD of Mechanical Engineering Department, Dr. T.G. Mamta, and their faculty members for their meticulous planning to organize this 3-day international webinar. And I would like to express my wishes to all the participants. And finally, all these things are happening due to our visionary principal, Dr. G.M. Patil. So without you, sir, all these things wouldn't have possible. Thank you very much. All the best.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
I am feeling very happy to see Dr. Kshitij Mal on the screen. Good morning, Kshitij Mal. Feeling very proud of you. You have made us feel very proud. You are displaying the tricolor in the backdrop. And we are feeling very happy to see you online here. You have made us feel very proud and taken the name of JSS Noida, the Department of Mechanical Engineering at the international level. We are very proud of you. We want to
So
see you
thank you so
sometime
much,
here
sir,
in our
for